Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 11 of the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good friends over at Hachette. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself and build this beautiful 1/8 scale Ford Falcon with me, head over to this link here. Takes you to their website. Pop! There's a clickable version below in the description, and you too can build this iconic madmax car with me. So let's have a quick scoop through the magazine and see what we got. We're going to be doing stage 11, the front left wheel. So you're going to need your wheel hub from the previous issue, and the eagle-eyed of you will notice that in there is a bowl of warm water with the tyre in it, warming up nicely, ready to go on the wheel rim, folks. This is where it's going to be going on your Ford Falcon, folks. Nice, simple, concise instructions, clearly stating what you need to do, how you need to orientate your wheel, and make sure when you fit it, you've got the writing and the hub facing the correct way. That is important, okay? Next up, you've got Henry Ford II there, Hank the Deuce, Ford's post-war steady in hand. Loads of info there on the history of Ford itself. Designs for the new era. It's got a Porsche on there talking about how they've gone on and modernised their cars. In profile there of the Porsches. And then obviously what's coming in the next issue, folks. So that's what we've got today. So let's just scoot back and double check what we got to do. Nice and simple, folks. So this is what you're going to end up with your wheel, your bolts and your centre boss, okay? So we've got that warming up nicely. So let's grab our wheel hub and bring that in, and we'll start some assembly for you. So there's our wheel hub from the previous issue, okay, and obviously we got our tyre warming up in this bowl of water. Now you might need to do this more than once, folks, so we'll have a quick go and see whether or not we can get this on first time. You never know, we might be lucky. So let's just have a looky-loo. Try and get the wheel in through that way, and then try and turn it into the tyre. That's what we're trying to do. And once you start getting it in the side, then we can give it a squeeze. There you go. Nice bit of use of the spudger there, just to work that tyre around, like so. And then as this cools down, that will now shrink down to size. So that's what we want. We can move our bowl of water out the way. We can bring in our wheel nuts and boss. Just like that. And then we can feed these wheel nuts through into there. Like that. And then we got our magnetic boss that sits in the middle there. And that's what you're going to end up with, folks, at the end of this issue. A nice, sexy wheel to go with our other one. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link all the way along here. That'll take you to the Hachette website, where you can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale partwork. Until then, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe and well. To help me out, if you could just ring that bell there and click the little Festa, subscribe to the channel, helps me grow. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.